everyone, this is Dr. Bahar from SNB Clinic. We are having a guest today. We are here to answer your questions. I want to say a warm welcome to Dr. Shahram Mortazavi, aesthetic medicine doctor with more than 13 years experience in medicine. So welcome, Dr. Shahram.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sharon from SNB Clinic.
So when you come to clinic, when you do a procedure, whatever, lasers, injectables, skin booster, Botox, fillers, and we make a next appointment day to repeat that. Sometimes they ask the question, why we should maintain the procedure? Why we should continue doing anti-aging procedures? Why, Dr. Shahram?
Yeah, two main reasons. The number one is that the nature of the aging is continuous. So there is no stop at any stage of the age. It's continuously we lose something. So like tissue, like collagen, fibrous tissue, fats, bone resorption. So for sure, 30 is different from 20. 40 is different from 30. So aging continuously happening. And number two is that all the non-surgical procedure in the aesthetic, they are the effect of the non-surgical procedure is non-permanent. So depending on the procedure, after few months, maximum 1 year, the result disappears. So when we want to keep the result, we have to do it again and again.
As an aesthetic medicine doctor, our approach to the patient, we measure everything. We evaluate the skin condition and amount of aging. And in our procedure, we emphasize more on lifting and rejuvenating more than filling and even shaping. So my main question will go for skin texture improvements, because this is the main concern of lots of clients, especially after age 30. How we can improve quality of the skin and make a delay in aging process.
There is lots of procedure that possible for us now, but every time I divide it in two parts, machines and injected. So there is two different kind of the procedure. With machine we can do something, with injections we can do something else. Which one is better? Most of the time the patient asks, doctor, which one is better? There is no better in the medicine. It depends on the case, depends on the age, depends on the skin type. Sometimes we prefer to start with one of them, then after the next one and the next one. But in my approach, as my experience, I advise to all my patients that, remember, there is no magic things that, for example, with one procedure only, you can reach the end. There is no magic things. Every time we need to do different things, because the different procedure can boost each other. Meaning, every time I tell it to my patient, don't look at the photos in the media before, after. Most of them, they are edited. There is no magic things, but if they accept to do different things and follow the instruction, for sure the result comes. But it's not immediate result. Most of the time, rejuvenation is different from the, for example, from the filler. Filler effect is immediately comes. We do the cheek filler, we do the lip filler, result immediately, we can see the result, patient happy. But for the rejuvenation, skin tightening, scar improvement, skin tightening, for this kind of the procedure, we have to wait. Patient should be wait. For example, I had a patient now for laxity of the part of the body, and I did for her sculpture. After one procedure, one-time injection, after 1 week, patient texts me, "Doctor, still I didn't see any result."
How many days after procedure?
1 week. And I explained to her, "My dear, I explained to you, this is rejuvenation, this is skin tightening, we have to wait because, and we should be do different times, for example, three times at least, minimum."
That's true.
So we have to wait. For this kind of the procedure, we have to wait. But for sure, result will come. I can tell you. Then patient asks, how many percent? 20%, 50%? Again, there is no percentage. In the medicine, we don't have any percent. But most of the time, I can tell to the patient, result will come. How many percent? I don't know.
Cannot be sure.
Yeah.
That's true. Completely true. Remember, building collagen and improving the texture of the skin is like healing tissue. So it takes time to build that healing tissue and the collagen and repair the area. So despite using the fillers, if you want to create a lift or give a shape, yeah, you will get the instant result, yeah? But to repair something, to build something, of course it will take time. It's not a magic of like a single session or one night procedure. So it will take time definitely, but as Dr. Shahram said, yes, you will have result. Of course, you know what we talk about like aesthetic procedures, we are talking about improvement. This is the phrase what we use, yeah? We are talking about improvement in the hair loss. We are talking about improvement of the skin texture. We are talking about improvement of the skin appearance. How many percent? Depends on the patient condition, depends on the basic condition before doing the procedure. But as an additional, as a plus, we do not believe in one single procedure magic. It's always a combination treatment. If you want a real magic, it should be a combination treatment. Yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Thank you so much for being with us. We have lots of, questions, inquiries. We cannot answer them all today, but we will pick, the most common, the most important, and in the next video cast, we will be, go in detail answers. Thank you so much for being with us. Wait for more.